Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So Jakuja, the Christian influencer who has at a time been called a deputy Jesus, all because of her know-it-all attitude when it comes to anything religion related and spirituality, has now become under public scrutiny for revealing that she attends and worship fake pastor or Prophet Miz Grace's church. Now this comes after Mavangos Mahuma, who is a prophet in real life, revealed that she will now be fellowshipping in the church, that a church of the fake prophet who was exposed on national television. And of course there had been multiple exposes on social media. Now Jakuja she commented under Maumera's post to share that she too attends that church and welcomes her to the church. Oh yes, welcome to New Life. We love you. That's my church. And you guys, under that comment alone, Jakuja was dragged to filth because of the church that she attends. People are saying that Jakuja loves acting like she is perfect while she attends a church of a prophet who is allegedly fake. Anyways, you guys, please do share your thoughts with me in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye.